My name is Tina Escaja, and as Director of the Gender, Sexuality, and Women's Studies here at the University of Vermont, and on behalf of all our faculty who had the privilege and the opportunity of having you in their classes, I congratulate all of you graduating seniors on your many accomplishments. I wish you all the best in your new adventures, and I know you will take the tools you learn here out into the world to struggle for gender equality and social justice. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all of our GSWS graduates this year, and best of luck to all of you moving forward.
Congratulations, GSWS graduates. Good luck with everything in the future.
Dear GSWS majors, congratulations on your graduation. You are wonderful and awesome and amazing, and you deserve all good things in life. And we know that you're going to make such a big contribution in the world. I'm so sorry that you didn't get to have a normal graduation this year. You deserved it. It wasn't your fault. It wasn't our fault. But I'm still really sorry that it didn't work out that way. And I just want you to know from this video, if nothing else, that you made it. You did a fantastic amount of work in every single one of your classes and in the major overall. And you did it. Congratulations. We love you.
Hi everyone, my name is Paul DeLond. I wanted to just take a moment to congratulate you on completing your degree in Gender, Sexuality, and Women's Studies. We're very proud of you. We hope that you'll remain in touch with us, and we look forward to hearing about what you accomplish in the future. Best of luck. Take care.
Happy graduation, everyone. I'm sorry we won't have the chance to celebrate your achievements in person. But I want to let you know how grateful I am to have had the opportunity to work with you during your time at UVM. You are extraordinary, and I absolutely believe that you are going to make the world a better place.
GSWS majors, I'm so happy for you graduating, and I wish you all the best in the coming year.